Hey guys, it's gonna be a quick unboxing because I'm not really getting much stuff. My DVD is still not here. Grandma. So, I'm gonna unbox the random things I got. I have it stacked here. Okay. So, I got these, and these are the same thing as the thing I got last time, which is the HYYH Taiwanese version of HYYH Part 1. Sorry. I'm out of it. I literally fell asleep on the train when I got, and then got on the wrong bus. I had to get off next stop. The funny thing is, I used to live at that next stop, so just got off, pretend I lived there, and then walk back past the train station, going home. So I missed my real bus. Whatever. My luck today is really bad, but it's okay. Hopefully tomorrow's luck is better. So I actually bought six of these guys, and they're all pink because the white ones, I think the white ones are out of print, like how the Korean version used to be, but now they're back in print. But this is from a different seller. The funny thing is, I thought I only got one package because I don't know what happened to the other one. And then I went to the post office and they gave me two because they thought it was something else that I'm going to show you later. It was a pretty well packaged box, I think. It doesn't. Oh. What is this? I don't know what's going on here, but okay. Oh, here's the note from the seller. Thank you for buying my item. This is cute. This is adorable. Okay. Here's two. Oh, he taped it. Okay. Here's two. This and this is the same seller. The previous one I bought is actually from a different seller, but they all came from the same location. So okay, this one's actually better packaging. It looks like. I don't know what's going on with the other one. Oh. I'm not good. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna throw this on the floor. This actually has more layers than the other one. I don't know why. Okay. Same note from the seller. Did they? Oh, yeah. As I said before in my video, from the previous video, well, from the other video, these guys, I can't tell you where I bought it from because I don't think it's available anymore. So, you have to try to find it. But I know they are still in stock. If you guys are interested, just look around. There's definitely somewhere that's selling this because it's not out of print at all. So, okay. My nose is itchy. Okay, should I open it? I already showed what's on the inside already, so I'm just gonna open it and show which postcard and photo card I got. photo card's the same as the Korean version. It is just the card itself is more saturated in color. Yeah, okay. That's what I mean. I don't really know color that well, but I am taking communication art classes, so I should know. Oh. I got J-Hope's for the regular card and Ratmon's again. So here we go. Let me put this back. I don't want them to get dirty, so I actually want the group card. Actually, I want everyone's card because it's so beautiful. I love the HYYH era. That's the era that actually got me into K-pop. Like, I think SHINee's song got me into introduction to K-pop because SHINee's song that I listened to was Japanese. I was into Japanese music at first. Oh, there it is. Oh, this is so funny. Last time I got the Korean cards, I got the same member, a different postcard. It's J-Hope, my bias again. But I got Suga. Why is there banana peels? Like, what is going on here? That's so funny. Okay. And then the next one. Let's see. Okay. Come on, give me a good photo card. The group one's really pretty. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god, am I cursed? It's my first bias and my second bias. This is the card I got last time. But this time I got Jin. Jin's so cute. Let me guess. Inside of this is Jungkook's photo card with another member's postcard. That's been like the trend so far, so let's see. I'm just opening the side to be able to open it but not taking the plastic off so I can keep it protected later. Oh, never mind. I got the group photo card, which is more saturated than the other one. And Suga again. So, yeah. That is it. At least I got my bias. I do want Jungkook's. My friend wants Jimin, so I might buy more to see if I could get them. Yeah, we'll trade them. So yeah, if you have Jungkook, Jimin, I can trade you Suga or Ratman. So yeah, that is it for that. Actually, I have another package here. So this took a while. This from Japan. I ordered this from a seller on Facebook. So in Japan, BTS had another Wings concert, and they came out with like Japan only merchandise. Like, that just got me mad because why would you do that to me, right? Because I already bought most of the merchandise for the Wings concert. and spend a lot on it too. So I don't really want any of those. I don't use the keychains, so I bought the only thing I think I was interested in. So here it is. Hopefully it's not damaged. Oh, there's some damage to the corners, but let me open it first. I don't know where I don't know, I'm just gonna go at it, hopefully. Yay! So what I got is, oh, I did get some damage here. It's okay. I got the BTS The Wings Tour 2017 BTS Live Trilogy Episode 3 in Japan Special Edition. So, oh, they used a new logo on the back. Sticker. So I got, oh yeah, you guys saw, I got the Premium Postcard set because I don't want to be like I did before. I didn't know about the Butterfly Dream exhibit, and then now I spent over $100 just getting those one postcard. This was actually really expensive to get because, you know, how rare, it's only in Japan and stuff. Oh no, there is dents here. There's some damage. That's sad. Okay. And some on the corners. Hopefully the postcard is not damaged. I would be so sad. Okay. I'm just gonna pull out. It's literally a sleeve. Okay, it doesn't look like I got damage on the inside. Oh no. Yeah, there's some extensive damage. So there's like that logo popping up for the Wings Tour, and then there's some damage up here. But you just flip this open like that, and then you get all the postcards. I don't know where to hang this because I put mine, Butterfly Dream ones, in my binder. First thing you see is Rat Monster. Oh, it's so pretty. There is some damage from like machine cutting the board itself, so it's not damage from shipping. It's not two-sided, so the back is just Ratmon and his logo from the wings. And then you got Sugar. It's very pretty. Jin. I don't know why they put Sugar in front of Jin now. Oh, they're really like matte, which I really like. It's a nice feeling. I sound like a crazy person. Here. Ooh. Why? That chin, man. Oh. That's so precious. These are really thick. Like, compared to my finger, it is really thick. Okay. Oh, that evil look. It's actually really nice quality picture. It's, a lot of people didn't like this because it's like the photo collection book, album, photo collection album that has these pictures, but I feel like this is, it's just really nice, you know, like a big one that you can actually make it bigger. A lot of people actually torn off those papers, and I would never dare to. They're too precious. Even though I have more than one copy, I would not. But some people do because they only stand buyers for one, and so understand that. But like, this is so much bigger, so beautiful, and it's like really good quality, like board material. Oh wow. Whoever is a B bias, oh my god, oh god, look at that eyes. Like, if you can put this somewhere and have him stare at you every day, it is a blessing. There's something wrong with me today, but oh my god. Why is he so handsome? Next. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. And that little dimple there. Okay, that's it.